Since July 17, 2021, Henan has experienced continuous heavy rainfall. Heavy rains have occurred in most of areas in the province. The heavy rainfall is mainly concentrated in the western, northern and central regions, including Henan. The continuous heavy rainfall caused flooding in Zhengzhou and surrounding areas. The flood lasted for a long time and caused great damage to the residents, urban facilities, and surrounding agriculture. In this video, I will discuss the causes of this flood and the losses caused by the flood in Henan. Among the cities in Henan, Zhengzhou, including its surrounding cities, has a low terrain, so the terrain of these cities is more likely to cause flooding. According to the data, the flood in July 2021 is related to climate, the continuing huge rainfall. It is not feature seasonal and storm-related. The flood was caused by huge precipitation that has never been encountered before. The maximum hourly rainfall in Zhengzhou reached 201.9 millimeters, and 19 weather stations including Zhengzhou broke through the extreme daily rainfall since the station was established. Floods and secondary disasters caused by heavy rain caused 11.447800 people in Henan province to be affected. 302 people have died and 50 people are still missing. The flood did seriously interfere with the normal lives of the people. Basically, all facilities stopped operating. Large-scale facilities such as shopping malls and movie theaters also served as shelters during the flood. However, the damage to urban facilities by the flood is not great, and the damage is mainly concentrated in vehicles, electric circuits, underground traffic, and surrounding fields. The biggest economic loss caused by this flood is the suspension of personal property, crops, social functions, and underground transportation. Among them, crop losses are the largest, with 215.2 thousand hectares affected and 77.9 thousand hectares damaged.